Good morning students. Welcome again. In previous link we have completed our English lesson number 2 the Smash Girl. Right? Today I am going to explain you English lesson number 3 High and Lifted Up. So let's start with our lesson. Come to page number 27. Lesson number 3 High and Lifted Up. Let's complete our warm up exercise. Use your imagination and create pictures out of these shapes and lines. So what it is said, आपके बुक में some pictures, कुछ lines दिए, right? You have to use your imagination and you have to make something out of this. Like you can use it like a beak of a bird. You can use these for eyes. You can use it for drawing something else. So students, आपको अपनी imagination, आपको अपनी creativity use कर कुछ ड्रॉ करना है with the help of these lines, with the help of these shapes. Okay, now come to the next part. Read. Let's start with our lesson. It was a windy day. Tommy was watching the shutters open and then shut, open and then shut. Mom, he said, may I go outside? Be careful, she said. It is so windy today. Now who is there in our story? There is a boy, Tommy, and his mom. कौन है? Tommy है और उसकी मम्मा है. So what was Tommy doing? He was watching the shutters open and down. What do you mean by shutters? Pair of wooden or metal covers outside a window that can be closed for safety or to keep out the light. See, these are called as shutters. क्या हो रहे थे shutters? Open and shut. Why? Because it was a windy day. बहुत ज़्यादा हवा चल रही थी उस दिन. Students, turn your page. Come to page number 28. Tommy ran to the door and opened it. The wind blew fiercely. Tommy ran outside and the door slammed shut. What do you mean by fiercely? Very strong in a way that could cause damage. So what did Tommy do? Tommy अपने घर से बाहर आ गया. He ran towards the door and he came out. Tommy ran outside and the door slammed. Door कैसे हो गया? जोर से shut हो गया. Outside, yellow, gold and red leaves were jumping off the roof and chasing one another down the street. Tommy watched in fascination as some leaves slide down a slope. What do you mean by fascination? A very strong attraction that makes something very interesting. So, when Tommy came out, what was happening? Outside, you can see here in the picture that some leaves like yellow colored, some are gold type. See in this picture, yellow gold type and some red leaves were jumping on the roof and they were chasing each other. It means वो कैसे उड़ रहे थे? एक दूसरे को हिला हिला कर उड़ रहे थे, right? And Tommy, he was watching those leaves in fascination. He found that it was very interesting to watch them. If I were a leaf, I would fly in the blue skies across the world, Tommy thought. Tommy's mother came to the front porch. Tommy, I have your jacket. Please put it on, she called out. So what happened? What Tommy thought? If I were a leaf, अगर वो leaf होता, so he would fly in the blue skies. है कि नहीं? आसमान तक उड़कर जाता. Tommy was thinking that. And at that time, mother came on the porch. Students, what do you mean by porch? Porch means the front area. You can see. House is here. Entrance is here. And here is some space where mummy is standing. So, this is called as porch. So, what did mummy do? She came to the porch and she said, Tommy, I have your jacket. Please put it on. Why mother is giving jacket to Tommy? Because it is a windy day. बहुत हवा चल रही है, right? However, there was no Tommy in the front yard. Tommy was a leaf. He was blowing down the street with the rest of his playmates. A maple leaf came close by. They swirled around and around, flew up into the air and then down again. So, what did Tommy thought? That he is a leaf and he was also flying with the leaf. At porch, when mummy came, mummy shouted, "Tommy, Tommy!" But Tommy was there? No, he was a leaf. Tommy ने क्या सोचा, वो तो leaf है, and he was blowing down the street. He was also blowing, flying with the other leaves. What he thought? That he is a leaf. वो क्या है, वो leaf बन गया, right? He was flying up and down. Swirl. What do you mean by swirl? Moved around quickly in a circle. ऐसे गोल गोल घूमता हुआ he was also flying along with other leaves. That is fun, Tommy thought. Who is thinking? Tommy. Tommy is thinking he is a leaf and he was saying, yeah, this is fun. The maple leaf was bright red with well-defined veins. The morning light shone through it, giving it brightness never before seen by a little boy's eyes. So, what happened? The another maple leaf. कौन सा leaf है ये students? Which is this leaf? Maple leaf. This maple leaf was red in color. It was having veins. You can see these lines over here. So, these are called as veins. So, what did the little boy do? What did the little boy? Who is the little boy? Tommy. What he was seeing? He was seeing the bright light of the sun was enhancing the beauty of the leaf. He was very fascinated. Where do you think we are going? Tommy asked the leaf. Who is asking? Tommy is asking to the leaf. Where do you think? हम कहाँ जाने वाले हैं? Where we are going? Where do you think we are going? Does it matter? The leaf replied. Have fun. Life is short. Now, what leaf is saying? क्या ज़रूरत है? Does it matter that we want to go somewhere? Have the fun of the life. Life is very short. We should have a fun. है कि नहीं? लीफ क्या बोल रहा है? That let it be. We will go anywhere. You just have a fun. Tommy asked, where will we end up? Now what Tommy is asking? हम कहाँ पर stop लेंगे? हम कहाँ रुकने वाले हैं? Where we will end up? If the wind blows you in that direction, an older leaf said suddenly, coming beside them, you will end up in the city dump. Now what this older leaf is saying? That if the wind, if it is blowing on the city dump area, then we will end up in the city dump area. Now come to the next side. Page number 29. I don't want that, Tommy said. Now what the Tommy is saying? No, I don't want to end up in the city dump area. So kids, here we are stopping with the story. In next video, I will be explaining you the remaining part of the story. Okay? Bye bye. Till that, read the story.